Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and I have a question for you right away. You have a wonderful Bali package, and you are noticing as well more and more people are starting to get interested in Indonesia. However, you have the customer, and the customer asks you, is Indonesia visa free for Philippine passport holders? Well, let's find out right away in a matter of seconds. With CouponBet, you can find the answer in seconds. So once you're logged in on CouponBet, you're on the dashboard, just click here on Tools. As you click on Tools, you will see all the tools suitable for your travel agency. But however, we need here only the visa info for Philippine passport holders. So in here you can find all the countries and if ever a tourist visa is required or if it is visa free, and same for cruise. If a cruise visa is required or visa free. And what we put in here is Indonesia, and let's search Indonesia, and there you are. You can see here instantly that Indonesia is visa free for Philippine passport holders for 30 days. So this is really easy and simple to use. It saves you a lot of time in searching for countries going online. And perhaps you like this a lot and you think this is a very useful tool. And there's a lot more here on CouponBet. So you would like to use it as well. Well, let me show you how you can join straight away. It's very easy and it's a matter of seconds. First of all, just go to our website, couponbet.com. Once you go to couponbet.com, you can see here there's a secure things. It means it's secured. This is the right side. So you click here on sign up now. And in here, you're going to put in all your details. What you have to do is the following. First of all, put in your travel agency name, your username. Make sure you remember your username because that will be necessary for logging in. Your email. This must be an existing email because you will get a confirmed email link that you need to click in your inbox. And you put in your passwords and you accept the terms and conditions and you click on register now. Once you click on that, you fill up the form and you click on register now, you get an email. Just check your inbox for an email from CouponBet. And if you cannot find it in your inbox, perhaps it is in your spam folder. Once you find the email, you'll see that there's a link that you have to click. This is your confirmation link for your account. Click on that link, and once you click on that, your account has been confirmed, and you can log in with your username and password. And that's it. You don't need to wait days, weeks, minutes, hours for any approval of account. Once you click on that link, your account has been approved and you get an email instantly. It's very easy and very straightforward. So, what are you waiting for? Use this website right away. Just go to couponbet.com and register right away.